Do you need to count the occurrences of a character in a string? Well, Python's string class offers the count function, so let's see how that works. First, I've created a string of the word hello world, and now I'm going to create a variable count, and then I'm going to call the name of the string, that is test, and then over that I'm going to run the count function, and the count function will simply take a character and returns the number of characters found inside that given string. So let's say I want to first find the count of the character L. All I've got to do is place that inside the parenthesis, and now I've got to print the number of counts. And if I run this, as you can see, it shows that the number of counts of the character L is 3. Likewise, if I want to check the number of counts of the character O, I can do that, and it returns 2. So that's it from this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friend, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.